What if just 7 simple habits could boost your energy, improve your mood, help your heart, and make you feel years younger? The best part? They don't require expensive supplements, gym memberships, or extreme diets. Let's count them down. Habit number 1, start your day with water. After hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. Drinking a large glass of water first thing in the morning helps wake up your brain, supports digestion, and kickstarts your day. Habit number 2, move every day. Just 30 minutes of walking, cycling, dancing, or exercise can improve heart health, strengthen muscles, and boost your mood naturally. Habit number 3, eat more colorful foods. The more colors on your plate, the more nutrients you get. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that help your body thrive. Habit number 4, prioritize sleep. Sleep is your body's reset button. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to support memory, immunity, energy levels, and overall health. Habit number 5, put down your phone before bed. Scrolling late at night can interfere with sleep quality. Try turning off screens at least 30 minutes before bedtime and notice the difference. Habit number 6, practice gratitude. Take 1 minute each day to think about something you're thankful for. This simple habit can lower stress and improve mental well-being. Habit number 7, stay connected. Spending time with family and friends isn't just enjoyable, it's good for your health. Strong relationships are linked to greater happiness and longer life. Here's the secret. You don't have to change everything at once. Start with one healthy habit today. Add another next week. Small actions repeated daily create life-changing results. Which healthy habit are you starting today? Follow for more simple health tips, wellness habits, and healthy living inspiration. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthVia and tanmarket.com for more simple health tips, diet habits, food, and a better life. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always do your own research before making decisions.